so I'm going to try and create personalized product recommendation system, and I'm just going to be building this as we go. I'm going to build my own chatbot in Hugging Face. This is my Hugging Face. If you come to whatever and then you go to assistants, I'm going to get a brand new assistant in Hugging Face, which I've done before. I've created my own like exam practice things and all these other things. Okay, so let's do that. Let's get an avatar for that. Maybe Gemini can do this really well. Generate an image for an image icon for personalized product recommendation app. Let's see what that gives me. Gemini has gotten really good ever since they went to like Flash 2.0. They've gotten really good at like image generation, and it's actually better than GPT. I've created things in here you won't believe. So that's good enough for me. I'm using Linux Mint. It's my daily OS. It's what I use for my daily driver. I don't use any other operating system since 2012. Okay, so description, what I need this to do, what it will be doing is analyze customer review on site, blah blah blah. Just paste this. Supposed to analyze customer reviews, purchase history, browsing, blah 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 blah. Okay, so here's my prompt. You are an AI assistant specializing in extracting info insights from blah blah blah. Your task is to identify customer preferences and buying blah blah blah. Let me first choose a model. Llama 3.3. Llama is good, but it's like, I don't know, since it's open source, it's not like specialized. Cohere was really good. The last thing I built was on Cohere. I don't trust DeepSeek. Oh, NVIDIA's new Metron. I last tried this last year. I wonder if it's gotten any better. 70B. What? They still have only Gemma. They should have the new. Why don't they have the new models here? I've never tried Mistro's Nemo. I built things on Microsoft's Fire. I built things on Llama. I built things on Cohere. I don't know what this Quen thing is. I've tried NVIDIA's Nemetron. It's still child, it's still in its advanced stages. I've never built anything on Mistral, so let's try Mistral. Okay, let's add in some instructions to this. Okay, just see what will happen. Wait, no, give me some instructions. These were all generated, I got an idea and then you throw it in like any other AI thing and you tell it act as a prompt generator and it refines your prompt for you. Response format. Okay, let's try this. Who knows? So this is how I want it to respond. I want it to provide nice on primary interests, pain points, price sensitivity, blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay, so let's create something. I don't know if Mistral has access to the web yet. Does Mistral have access to the web? Does Mistral AI have access to web? I know Cloud doesn't. Does not yet, really. Mistral, it's been years. Makes sense. Actually, some of the best models don't have access to the web. I think it's fine if you're like trying to fine tune your thing for a specific use case or make it really good. Look at Cloud. It's the best coding logic thing we have. Their 3.7 Sonnet, nothing even comes close. So I think it's good and it actually helps with speed. You see this whole thinking logic nonsense that DeepSeek introduced. I'm not a fan. Yeah, but just gives slower responses for the models, versus Mistral. If I'm to give something to Mistral, it like spits out the answer there and then, which helps if you're not online. And I digress. Okay, so let's create this. Should I make this dynamic? Nah, since I'm not using any JavaScript. Okay, so this is our bot that we've created. Let's start a chat. Hmm. So I did tell it can be delivered via email. So Cloud add a back end, so a front end to this. Versal's V0 could do this really well. Just create a front end. Let's see if it can actually do that right now. Create front end for a yeah, you see this thinking stuff, this I'm not a fan. Like, do it, don't show it to me, just do it, don't waste my time trying to so this can create our front end, this can give our back end logic depending on the user input. So let me try to actually do something here. If I put in, I'm building this in real time by the way, so if I mess up, well, it's not like I planned this. Okay. Oh, let's look at how Vercel is doing with our front end. It's still building. In the morning. Okay. Okay, so Vercel did build our front end. Wow, this is wow. You gotta love AI. Like, picture how long it would have taken you to design such a thing. So I could choose maybe electronics. Wow. Let's first look at this code though. Wow, this is good. I'm saving this. Oh, give me this. Give me GitHub. So this is my okay, whatever. This is my personalized. What does this do? Okay. La 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 la. Yeah, I'm saving this. And save a lot of pages though. All this, but mainly this. I think I can build all the others. Wait, does it still have that? No, it doesn't. No. Used to have a function I could just download all this like in one zipped file. Oh yeah, it still does. Oh cool. Yay. I haven't been here in a few months. That's what happens when you're doing a master's in data analytics. It's not easy. Sorry to whoever has to watch this. you know. But you did ask me, no, you did ask me to build something, so might as well show you my process, right? Okay, here's the fun bit about this. I could take this whole thing, okay, maybe not. Let me see. No, Visual doesn't write readmes, but I could take this whole code, give it to like Cloud or any of these. Actually, AI is Gemini, whatever. AI Studio could do a good job. One of these. Let me see. Where is it? Yeah, it's the very one. This could do a very good job on like writing a readme for this, but nah, I digress. Okay, so let's test our bot. This would give us our front end very easily, you know. This could give us our logic, do a few WS things, blah blah blah, and you have a product. So let's test this. First of all, hi. Just by saying hi, you know all these things. This is Mistral. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh, we need to feed it data from like customer search history, blah 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 blah. But let me see. So based on this, can you recommend a product for me? Can you recommend the product for me? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this is why I shouldn't have fixed that response. Let's edit this. This part, this response format. Yeah, this is why I shouldn't have fixed this. Let's try to first remove this. Wait, where's my... Okay. Let's try that. Let's try that again. Okay, cool. So what, let's say I'm looking for an ergonomic chair. Wait, I thought I changed this. Oh, nice. So yeah, it gives you, first of all, tells me my primary interest is some comfort, blah blah blah. Adjustability, about the product I've just told it. Durability, tells me about the pain points, la 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 la. Price sensitivity, brand relations, the customer showed me the economic brand shares. I've had good things about the blah blah blah, but I'm open to brands too. These are reviews from like another platform. The customer uses office chairs primarily. Okay, categories, office chairs, recommendation strategy, focus on the chairs, adjustable, high quality. Okay. So anyway, what was the question of this? For high market product workflows, scrappy AI from seeds of prawns, custom GPT, record a video, brief what the AI use case is, how to do it, and what the value is. Yeah, so how to do it, I assume you asked how to create the LLM. So I've done this, I've created so many. My first ever was on Paw. Paw was like, honestly, among the very, very first integration platforms. It had this creating bots way before GPT. Introduced creating custom chatbots in like, I don't know, 2020 something. This was like a year before they could allow you to create your own custom bots. And you know, I used to create it simple bots. I've created bots on Hugging Face and of course GPT, which I won't even bother showing you because that's easy. But yeah, this is my personalized product recommendation system bot running on Mistral's Nemo, which, you know, we could select any other AI model if you want, you know, change up the temperatures, make it more random, less random, whatever. All these metrics you could play with. Repetition patterns, I think if you get like bigger instruction models, this value becomes more. Let me not go into the technicalities, but yeah, this I would use Hugging Face because you have a choice for all these models. Poe also gives you models choices when you're creating, but it's like this is owned by Cora, so it's like you kind of have to pay to get, the last I checked, like for me to create a model based on Cloud's Haiku, this is a very, these are high end models, so I'm guessing I have to go like pro version of this thing for me to create models based on this. The ones I used to create were on my AWS, was running on, let me check, I don't remember this, on GPT-3, which was free at the time. But yeah, so this is how I would do it right now, because Hugging Face has free unlimited, not unlimited, but has more leeway when you're creating your model. This is how I would do it. What value is this? Where is this? Is this assistant basically just recommend something like, where is this? You, based on your tracking history, you tell it a product and it recommends, like what I did. Recommend a product for me, ask me what product, I gave it the product, it told me about details about that product, blah blah blah, the pain points, all these things, the price sensitivity, told me about, the use case, the categories, the things that I'm interested in, and excuse me, gave me, it would do better if I had like more context, if I had like a person's search history, and I tried to build a front end using V0 to, this is a custom product recommendation system that is based off shopping. But again, we can play with this. I can just click this and they generate another one. It's endless, it's AI. But yeah, I'm on stop recording here because it's getting too long. My name is Emmanuel Olimi Kasigazi. I've been an entrepreneur most of my life. I'm a software developer though since when I graduated 2014. I'm currently in New York Yeshiva University doing my master's in, wait, why am I talking? Let me just show you. LinkedIn. Yeah, this guy. So I've worked with MIT, I've created projects there. It was a podcast. I founded this company in my second year university, ran that for 13 years until last 2024, excuse me, till 2024 of January. I've been to, this was an Antler is like a VC fund in Canada. We're in that cohort trying to get funding for something. I joined in like the 6th week. But that's to show I wasn't even like among the pre-qualifiers, but I just showed up and they still let me in. That's how good I am, I guess. Yeah, this is the project I did with MIT, and right now I'm working as the GA in communications department at the CAT school where I'm attending my master's. CAT school is part of Yeshiva University, so I'm attending my master's in data analytics. And that's something about me. I'm a software engineer, I'm a graphics designer, podcast host, entrepreneur, blah 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 blah. Thank you, and sorry for the blah blah blahs. It's very hard to talk when you're not talking to anyone.